Okay, so today I told you it's yard day. Do y'all see this yard? I don't have grass, I have weeds. Look at that. He said, Sonya, come on now. This your yard? Yep. Look. This is what we're working with. Where you going? Shaquille O'Neal, you better bring your ass here. Where you think he going? He finna do yard work. We finna all do this yard, baby. Teamwork makes the dream work. Look at that. You think you can find a 4-leaf clover in that? Oh, I think I see one. No, I don't. That's 3. That's the yard. Oh, yeah, you better got to wait because you can't drive. Come right there, cannot drive. Okay, y'all, this is the before. That's the before. That's how the yard is looking. Feel good out here. I'm gonna go get me a towel to put on my head, though. This is it. The first thing I'm gonna do is tackle these bushes. Go ahead and trim them down, and I see bees. I'm gonna put the porch down there. Put the sign. Hey, Rowan, bring me some salt. Bring me some salt. Go get me some salt out the house. It's some in the kitchen under the sink.
Oh,
Yeah.
hey, big girl.
Oh, I can turn my camera. Open the bag up. start cutting the grass. But first, before I start cutting the grass, I want to put down some iodized salt in these areas because I don't want this to grow back. I'm going to put that tarp down probably tomorrow and go buy some pine straw. Okay, so now I'm going to put this down. The reason I'm putting this down, salt would kill anything in the grass, but it also would kill the grass as well. But since I'm going to put a tarp along here and then put the pine straw on top, I don't want it to grow through or grow around it. So I'm going to take this and just spread it. And ants is good for ants, insects. Anywhere you don't want grass to grow, it works. And this will keep the bugs from by the house. Next, I'm going to blow all of this away from the house into the grass, so when I cut it, it will pick it up and it calls for a less bigger mess to clean up. So now I'm going to take the blower, which I always try to use electric everything except for the weed eater. My weed eater went out, so I'm going to purchase another one. But today we're just focusing on trying to make the yard look a little bit halfway decent until I can do the rest of what I want to show you.